In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I use my perfumes to manifest and attract. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. Make sure that you subscribe before you leave, that way you'll never miss out on another video. Okay, so this is something that I have been doing a lot lately, and I've been seeing a lot of nice things happening in my life, so I wanted to share it with you guys. Now, I do have a few videos on my channel about how to use your perfume to manifest. Today, I wanted to share it again, but in a way where I revisited this in a way where it was a deeper and higher vibration. And I don't know, sometimes I feel like you revisit things you do in the past to manifest or whatever, but you revisit it in a new way, in a new perspective, with new knowledge, with new wisdom. So I wanted to share with you guys. Okay, so in today's video, we're going to be talking about how to use your perfume to manifest. Now, if you guys have been following me on my Instagram and also on the YouTube community section, you know that I've been working with oud oil a lot. Oud oil is something that probably takes 100 years to be created. Oud is actually like it's kind of like a fungus that grows. Oud is actually a resin. Oud is a very, very powerful, very, very sacred oil. If you guys are interested, I do sell it on my shop, but today we're going to be talking about it in the perfume version. So Tom Ford has a perfume for men that has oud in it. There's a lot of, I think Kim Kardashian has a perfume with oud in it, but oud is something that really, really, really brings up your vibration, and it helps you manifest, and it helps to clear the blocks that are coming in between you and your manifestation. It helps you invoke and call in your confidence. It's a very, very beautiful, very powerful oil. Now, there are perfumes out there that have oud oil in it. If you guys are available for like a essential oil blend, an oud oil blend, go to my Etsy store. You guys can get it there really, really affordable. But if you guys are willing to spend the money, then I will link a few really nice perfumes down below, including this one. This is by Roos & Roos, and it's called La Favorite. Now, this has oud oil in it, and we're gonna get into the magic of it. We're gonna get into the magic of the other ingredients in this perfume too. This perfume was actually sent to me as a gift, so I did get inspired to do this video from this perfume. Now, I use perfume on a daily basis. Not perfume, I use body spray, body mist, essential oils on a daily basis, because perfumes, mists, whatever, they carry essential oils, and essential oils carry very powerful vibrations straight from the natural source itself. It's distilled and steamed from the natural leaves, plants, flowers, so it's very, very natural, so that vibration is contained into that oil. So when high-end perfumes make their perfume, the ingredients that they put in it, the high-end perfumes use more of the good oils, more of the essential oils, more of the natural oils. Cheaper perfumes don't use so much of the natural oils and the natural extracts. So this is something that actually uses 100% natural oud oil, as well as some really nice ones. So the first thing we want to know is every single perfume carries essential oils and liquid. Perfume is, of course, in liquid form. Now, essential oils carry very, very high vibrations, powerful vibrations. So when you pick out a perfume, look at the ingredients, look at the essential oils, look at the magical properties of those oils, what it's going to do to you, what it's going to bring to you. Because perfume is in liquid form, you can charge and program this. Because remember, liquid absorbs energy. Liquid can absorb the memory of the emotions you put in it. So what I'm going to do is take a Sharpie marker and write everything that I want this perfume to do for me on the bottle and put it underneath the light of the full moon. Now, what this is going to do is program the liquid in here, the essential oils. It's going to awaken it to do what I wrote on the bottle. Another way you can charge your perfume is to put crystals around it. Your favorite crystals, you know, the crystals that you feel such an attachment and bond to, those are very powerful. So you want to put those around your perfume and charge them overnight, all throughout the day. Another thing you can do is to light a candle near your perfume to awaken and activate all the ingredients, the essential oils, the natural extracts, Another thing that I actually really love to do, and I do this a lot with the essential oil blends and mists and sprays that I sell on my Etsy shop, is I like to put them underneath the light of the full moon to awaken all the essential oils, all the ingredients, the crystals that I use in it. I like to charge it up and I like to awaken everything and activate everything. Not only that, but cleanse it, because the people who handle your products, before it gets to you, you don't know, what kind of day they were having, what kind of energy they had. So I like to always cleanse everything. Another thing you can do is to place your perfume on your altar. And this is just going to charge it with all the energy of the deities you work with, the higher powers that you work with, and all your rituals and everything is going to charge up your perfume. So what I have here is Rus and Rus, and it's called La Favorite. Now, a reason that I want to share with you guys this perfume specifically is because it is a higher end perfume. I feel like it's very important to get yourself at least one high-end perfume. The reason being is because the essential oils and the extracts and everything that is used in there is of very high quality, and the essential oils are more natural and more abundant. So this perfume right here, you get quite a bit. I don't know how many ounces this, it is 3.33 fluid ounces. I did not even notice that. I didn't even see that. You guys pay attention to everything, because 3.33, 3 is the number of creation, 3 tripled. So this is a perfume in numerology that is already programmed with that number, and the vibration of that number tripled. This perfume is very unique because it has oud oil in it. Oud is very powerful. Oud is a very, very powerful manifester. Now, there was a celebrity that I had the biggest crush on, like the biggest crush on. I was so obsessed with this celebrity. And the first ever time that I used oud oil, I actually posted a picture on Instagram. It was like an older Instagram. I posted a picture and I tagged him in it. And his mom, in real life, messaged me back. And it was so insane, because that's something I would never ever imagine that would happen to me, like, let alone him, but his mom messaged me, and it was a really, really sweet message, and it was oud. Like, oud does things like that. It goes above and beyond, and it just attracts to you things that you wouldn't even imagine. Oud is insane. And so that's why I was really drawn to this perfume. When this company sent me this, I was like, yes, I'll take it. I want it. I'll use it. I'll review it. Like, oud is something that I treasure and I hold very sacred, only because I've seen what it has done in my life. This also has patchouli oil in it, and patchouli next to oud is probably my favorite oil, because patchouli is used for attraction, for allure, for glamour, for beauty, for abundance. So patchouli is very, very strong too. So this has notes of oud, patchouli. Saffron is used for wealth, power, and recognition. So this is powerful if you guys are entrepreneurs, you own your own business, you want to get ahead in your career. Saffron is really good. Not only that, but it also enhances your psychic abilities and your intuition. Another ingredient that really drew me into this perfume is white musk. If you guys have been following me on my channel for a while, you know that I work with Shiva energy a lot. I love working with his energy. It is very, very scary because he is so serious and protective, but it is one of the most beautiful energies you will ever work with. And so Shiva energy requires ingredients like musk when you work with him. One of his favorite things is musk. So when I saw that this perfume had musk in it, I was even more excited to do this review. So musk is something that attracts calming energy, powerful energy, assertive energy, and just attractive, glamorous, alluring energy. This Rus and Rus perfume retails for $150. Now, that is a lot. So what I do is I like to purchase a high-end perfume for myself like this one once every maybe 6 months, once every year, just so I have that energy of luxury around me. And anytime I want to infuse that energy within myself, I will spray this perfume on me. So anytime, like, I don't wear makeup every day, I don't get dressed up, I don't get ready every day. A lot of the times I'm editing or creating products for my Etsy shop or doing readings for you guys, so I'm bummed out and comfortable. But the days that I do get ready, like today, I'll spray this on myself. Like, I sprayed this morning, and it just lifts my vibration. And it's like, to me, in my head, it is a $150 vibration. This is going to be actually different for each individual. So whatever perfume you choose to get, whatever price point it is at, and whatever ingredients are in there, it's going to affect you and impact you in different ways. So, you know, play around with it. Get yourself some cheaper ones, get yourself some more exuberant ones, whatever your spirit calls you to do. But definitely there's probably one perfume that calls out to you more than others, and there's a reason for that. Because perfumes carry vibrations with all the essential oils, the energies, the properties, extracts that are all within it, the words that are written on it. It carries a vibration, and that is what you're going to attract. So this one says La Favorite. That means to me that this perfume is already programmed to bring me everything that is my favorite. So pay attention to the words that are on your perfume. Pay attention to the colors. This is very orangey, brownish, and orange is a color of manifestation, and brown for me is a very, very lucky color for manifestation. So this is perfect for me. But if you guys are interested in this, I'll leave it linked down below. But if not, find yourself a perfume that you click with, that you love the ingredients, that you love the smell, it raises your vibration, and use it to your advantage. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye!